In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on advanced inventory in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Edit top left, and you want to click on Preferences here at the bottom. Now you want to go to Items and Inventory on the left, and you want to go to Company Preferences. Then you want to click on Advanced Inventory Settings, and to turn on Advanced Inventory, you're going to have to go and turn on all of these things over here, or of course just the ones that you want to use. So I'm going to go and, for example, enable this, and then in this case I would have to basically select the inventory site. So I'm going to have to create one over here like this very quickly. Okay, continue, there we go. Then you want to go to serial/lot numbers, you want to enable this. You want to go to FIFO or FIFO and you want to enable this. You want to go to barcodes, enable these, site operations, enable worksheets, stuff like that. You can add devices over here as well. And then landed cost, you can go and set this up as well, okay? So whenever you've done this, whenever you have your check marks, simply click on the OK button and click on OK again, and you've successfully basically turned on advanced inventory. Now over here, as you can see, it says that it has to close all its open windows to change this preference. Click on OK. It's going to restart and you're going to have that enabled. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.